Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share Video Marketing Blaster software. It's a YouTube SEO software. First you will need to download the software from description link. Then open the software. Now you have to click Start VMB Pro. Now it will ask for update. Click No. Remember, never update Video Marketing Blaster, otherwise it will not work in future. Here is the user interface of Video Marketing Blaster Pro. I hope it will work for you, and please watch other tutorials from YouTube to learn how to use this software. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos and more software.